Okay, so here's the first roundabout. It's got 2 lanes on it, and we're going to be turning left. So on approach, we need to tell people that's where we're going. So I'm going to check my mirrors and signal left, and I'm going to position myself in this left-hand lane because that's where I'm going after all. I'm going to change down into a gear I know I need at this particular moment, which is first, because I have cars in front of me. And again, I'm leaving that signal running so everyone knows, especially the people waiting at the exit just ahead of us here. They all know I'm going to be leaving the roundabout, so they will merge in as soon as it's safe for them to do so. So that is how you take and signal for the first exit on the left. Okay, so we're back here again. New road, new mirrors. This time I'm going to be continuing straight at this roundabout. It's the second exit ahead. Now in order to do that, I need to check my mirrors and move back into that left lane again. Notice that I don't have a signal on this time, and that is because, remember, I'm not turning left, I'm going ahead. So if I time this well, I should be able to just sneak in behind this lovely black car. My signal is not on. It's not on until I get to the exit before the one I need, which is now. I'm letting that lady know I'm turning left, and I'm letting everybody up ahead know that I'm coming off the roundabout at this particular moment, which will allow that white car, for example, to just carry on and enter the roundabout in their own good time. This time at the roundabout, I'm going to be turning right, taking the third exit. So again, have a look at the road signs. There is the roundabout from up above. Now again, same rules as what we were doing with the lanes earlier. If you're turning right, chances are you're going to have to move into the right hand lane unless the signs or markings suggest otherwise. So I'm signalling on approach here. Pop it back on because it will cancel. It's safe to enter the roundabout, and this is where I'm going to stay until I've passed the exit before the one I need, which would be the second exit, which is this one coming up right here. And now I mirror signal left, quick shoulder check, and move into that left-hand lane. The signal is still running for the benefit of those guys there. And now I've left the roundabout, I'm going to cancel the signal.